A person who has expressed doubts and faith in Tesla, the automotive behemoth, has garnered media attention by making an audacious assertion that cut through the murk of conjecture. Customers and investors are curious. Envision a scene where investors are waiting impatiently, analysts are debating passionately, and financial markets are whirling with excitement. Why does Tesla succeed in this high-stakes game when others barely survive? What gives Tesla's unwavering spirit fuel? We'll talk about Ron Barron's persistent belief in Tesla's return, the revolutionary Berlin Gigafactory, and the groundbreaking inventions made by Tesla that are reshaping the auto industry today. Observe how Tesla is not only defying market trends, but also transforming the electric vehicle market, placing significant bets on renewable energy sources, and maybe permanently changing the direction of the automotive industry. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and enable alerts for Tesla stock news. Let's get started now. The stock of the massive electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla rose to an incredible high of $129 before seeing a sharp decline. Many observers predict that the financial industry will return to its previous heights despite the current financial roller coaster. Ron Barron, a well-known critic of Tesla, is the most recent person to join this chorus. Barron, a person long linked to negative opinions about Tesla, suddenly says the company is an unstoppable force headed towards a recovery. But what strengthens his recently formed belief? When does he think Tesla's stock will start to rise again? It's clear from navigating the financial landscape that Tesla's stock has had a difficult time lately. It has down 18% year to date. This decline is in sharp contrast to the S&P 500's overall 9% decline during the same time period. The gloom surrounding Tesla comes after an incredible 2021, during which the company's stock increased by almost 50%. The decline in high-growth, high-multiple equities that occurred last year is a part of a larger trend that has been fueled by rising interest rates and predictions of monetary policy tightening. Let's go back in time to 2016. At the time, Ron Barron promoted Tesla's potential and predicted that it would rank among the most valuable firms in the world through his company, Barron Capital Management. Barron Capital became one of the biggest long-term shareholders of the electric vehicle manufacturer, Tesla, with a daring 1% stake. Remarkably, Tesla states that the company owned almost 6 million shares of the company. These shares were only $428 apiece, which set up an amazing $4 billion profit. But Barron anticipated that this was just the start, potentially increasing this amount in the ensuing 10 years. Ron Barron's investment philosophy has allowed him to carve himself a unique niche. This strategy, which is ingrained in Barron's strategic thinking, deviates from the traditional emphasis on the short-term volatility of stocks. Barron, on the other hand, lays a lot of stress on the fundamental advantages and possibilities of a business model. When we invest in a company, we're not fixated on the stock prices. We're focused on the business, Barron clarifies. His conviction in the critical significance of an organization's operational capabilities and long-term value proposition is emphasized by this statement. What distinguishes Barron is his capacity to identify an organization's inherent worth, extending beyond the frequently erratic and emotionally charged stock market. His investment in Tesla was one way this was especially clear. Barron recognized the untapped potential in Tesla's revolutionary approach to electric vehicles, its audacious development ambitions, and its visionary leadership under Elon Musk at a time when the company's market value was a comparatively low $40 billion. His prediction came true as Tesla's valuation shot up to almost $400 billion, solidifying its position as a major player in the technology and automotive industries. In addition to identifying development possibilities, Barron's investment style emphasizes comprehending and supporting the company's objective. For Tesla, this means making the switch to sustainable energy and transportation, which Barron sees as a major turning point with broad ramifications. He understands that Tesla is spearheading a paradigm shift towards cleaner energy solutions rather than only selling vehicles. This is consistent with Barron's inclination to invest in businesses that not only show promise financially, but also positively influence society. Patience is another essential component in Barron's strategy. He is renowned for having a lengthy investing horizon and frequently holds onto his holdings for several years, even decades. His patience originates from his thorough research and analysis, which has given him faith in the firms he selects. His sustained investment in Tesla, for example, shows his faith in the company's long-term worth and its critical role in influencing the direction of transportation, even in the face of numerous market upheavals and scandals. Last but not least, although admitting his inadequacies in predicting the short-term state of the market, Barron's track record demonstrates a sharp eye for spotting long-term winners. His investment philosophies focus on identifying and assisting companies that have the potential to have a big long-term effect rather than following fads. By the year 2020, Barron's convictions had not wavered. He restated his opinion that the market value of Tesla might reach $1 trillion or $2 trillion. His prediction came true in 2021 when Tesla achieved $1 trillion market capitalization, making history. Now, as Tesla grows its production facilities and increases car sales, Barron expects a 300% return for investors over the next 10 years. What then spurred Barron's early interest in Elon Musk's electric vehicle project? He remembers being enthralled with the task of converting American automobiles from petrol to electric power, an accomplishment never previously accomplished. Musk was prepared to take a risk by staking his engineering expertise and leadership against the opposition of well-established groups like auto dealers, automakers, and energy firms. Barron's faith in Tesla stems from both its financial acumen and its unwavering pursuit of innovation. Innovating at light speed, Barron said, acknowledging Tesla's revolutionary methods in both space exploration and autos. Tesla has been revolutionizing the market with its constant release of cutting-edge features and technologies. Since its founding, Tesla has promoted a culture of unrelenting innovation, igniting fierce rivalry and making electric cars more widely accepted in the automotive industry. It is commonly known that partnerships with major players in the industry, like as Mercedes-Benz and Toyota, have further accelerated the expansion of the electric vehicle market. Within the field of renewable energy, Tesla has made equally impressive progress. By speeding up the transition to renewable energy sources, the company's solar energy technologies have dealt a blow to the fossil fuel industry. An important turning point was when Tesla acquired SolarCity the previous year, demonstrating their dedication to improving battery technology. With this acquisition, Tesla made a daring foray into the energy industry while maintaining a laser-like commitment to the advancement of sustainable battery technology. Since then, Tesla has completely changed the way we think about energy storage. The organization consistently fosters technical progress that is environmentally conscious, improving its collaborations and projects. This strategy has greatly increased the company's market worth in addition to fostering a positive corporate image. Tesla's significance and influence are expected to rise above its present level as it develops and unveils new ideas. To meet its goals, the company is currently running at maximum capacity. Realizing that the manufacture and distribution of electric cars are essential to its profit margins, Tesla has been aggressively growing its factories. There's little reason for investors to celebrate after long delays. The Tesla Gigafactory Berlin has finally been approved by the government. Following an extended trip beset by delays, demonstrations, and other obstacles, Tesla has finally received Germany's environmental approval. In an official statement, the German state of Brandenburg confirmed this event and described Tesla's next moves in starting car production at this electric vehicle plant. The Gigafactory Berlin has been given a permit that covers many activities, one of which is the production of 500,000 vehicles per year. Interestingly, it also approves the creation of battery cells at the Giga Berlin complex, enabling Tesla to produce its own internal cells in Germany. Though this is a huge development, how does it affect Tesla's comeback? What effect will it have on the company's upward trajectory? Elon Musk wants to overtake Volkswagen as the market leader in Europe for electric vehicles. At the moment, Tesla has a 13.3% market share, compared to Vda's commanding 25%. The Gigafactory is essential to his goal. Although the leading German manufacturer presently has the advantage in Europe, if Musk's plans go as planned, these advancements definitely put Tesla at the forefront of innovation and give rise to even more revolutionary plans for both the business and the sector as a whole. According to media sources, Tesla intends to invest up to €4 billion in its most recent venture. In order to understand the extent of this investment, let's do a comparison. The center of Volkswagen, the Wolfsburg plant, which produces more than 700,000 cars annually, occupies 6.5 square kilometers and is the largest single automotive production facility in the world. By 2022, 428,000 fully battery electric and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles were produced in Germany by all of the country's automakers, with an astounding 62% of those vehicles going overseas. Unquestionably, this pattern points to a movement in favor of electric vehicles, with Tesla in the forefront. In the meantime, Tesla's stock price is rising in line with Barron's predictions. Experts credit this increase to a number of positive factors, including the Berlin Gigafactory, revolutionary new battery technology, skyrocketing oil prices, and a renewed sense of confidence in the business. If there's one thing that Tesla fans have learned to expect, it's the business's steady growth each and every quarter. As 2022 approaches, Tesla intends to concentrate on developing 2 additional locations and introducing its innovative 4680 battery technology and structural battery pack. Growing numbers of Tesla's mass-market Model 3 and Model Y vehicles are being delivered, continuing the company's remarkable success that concluded at the end of 2021. Will Tesla's stock, however, reach its heyday or, as Barron predicts, surpass last year's numbers by 300%? We invest in firms that invest in themselves, Barron said in an interview, summarizing Tesla's approach to business. He emphasized how Tesla has reinvested its earnings to open several locations across the globe, increase the number of vehicles it offers, and explore new business opportunities. It appears that Tesla is headed in the right direction, according to several observers. Increased production from more facilities results in larger earnings for investors. But let's not undervalue the crucial part that innovation plays. This is what we think Tesla's hidden weapon is, and Barron agrees. Tesla continuously stays ahead of the curve and gains a greater market share than its slower-moving rivals because of its creative and adaptable strategy. Based on available data, Tesla is the market leader in the US for electric vehicle sales. Furthermore, 2 of Tesla's main markets are the US and China. Just in 2021, Tesla shipped 936,000 cars worldwide. With the opening of its new factories, this number is expected to rise sharply. Experts therefore believe that Barron's forecast of a sizable Tesla comeback is not only reasonable, but also likely. We've dug deep into Tesla's dynamic world today, examining the company's unwavering innovation, calculated growth, and optimistic stock market projections. We've seen how Tesla consistently exceeds expectations, from the bold investments in the Berlin Gigafactory to its leading position in the global transition to electric automobiles. It's evident that people are excited about Tesla's stock reaching previously unheard of heights, given Ron Barron's optimistic forecasts for the company's future. What do you believe Tesla's future holds? Is it able to sustain its pace and lead the revolution in electric vehicles? Please share your thoughts and forecasts in the space provided below. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you thought this summary was informative and would like to receive updates on anything pertaining to Tesla stock news. We appreciate your time and hope to see you in our upcoming video.